Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So soft reset, or actually force restart operation, will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So all you have to do is to press the power button and the volume up button together and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons together. Here we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. Just keep pressing the power button and the volume up button. We've got the black screen, which is a really good sign, so keep pressing. I felt the vibration, so I've released the fingers. Now we've got the developer's logo, which means that our device will be fully powered on in the second. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.